Good morning, guys. I would like to share with you how to use this simple tool, the download and upload on LTE. This is just to accelerate a little bit faster how to do the report. First of all, we just need to load all the log files. So just load all the log files that you need. Then, oh, okay. Then we create analysis group. I already created a group dedicated the addon and the CSFB. So we are going to focus about CSFB and FTP. For the CSFB, I just put everything here, MS1 and MS2 for CSFB, all the sectors, because I don't know which MS the DT are using. So to make sure, just put everything and make that one as CSFB. Then FTP. For the FTP, I make an example here, the one from the previous project. So here we also put everything on FTP. So, but if you are sure that you are using MS1 for download or MS2, so you can just put FTP and you can filter like this FTP. Then it will show you all the FTP log files. Then put it on the other side and make it okay. So now I already put the analysis here. I already run the analysis because it will take time to run the analysis. So here we are going to focus about first the FTP. So just click on the analysis group FTP, then go to LTE, go to the throughput. Since we are using the physical throughput, so we take the physical throughput, then PCC physical throughput, right click there and display on the sheet. Here we go, you will find it here. Then the upload as well, display on active sheet, it will come here. Then we will also put the serving cell, the PCI. So we put the PCI, right click, display on active sheet, it will give you the PCI there, the serving PCI. Since we need on the report, if you will notice, we need average RSRP and average SINR. So in the report, we also put average RSRP. Right click, display on active sheet, it will come up there. Then right click on the SINR, display on active sheet. Okay, so here we already have those parameters that we need. So this is the one that we are using. So here we just need to save this one, export, then make it a CSV. It's much better save this one on inside the folder that you are working on. For example, if you are working on, let us say, this example, you are working on Trusso house, so you can click Trusso house, then you can put this one 1002 FTP. Okay, then enter, then save. Okay, so you will find it there on the Trusso folder. So you see here, this is the one, FTP CSFB. Okay, then after that we're going to do this CSFB. For the CSFB, we just need to put this, go to delay, LTE access, then right click on CSFB WCDMA access time delay MOC, right click, display on sheet. Okay, here we go. So now you will observe this one is short of 1 MOC. Then you also right click here for the MTC, right click, display on active sheet. oh man. So okay, just disregard this one. It will if the test was right, they will supposed to give you a value. Okay, so this side here on the M MTC. Then after that, we are going to put which one is this. We go to LTE, serving and neighbor cells. We go to serving PCI. Okay, what happened? No, close this one. Then right click here, PCI, display on active sheet. Okay, it will come up here. Then we're going to go to WCDMA active set. We go to the scrambling code, right click, display on active sheet. It will come up this side. Then we'll take the URFC and downlink. This is to identify what is the band of 3G that it goes to, that it fall back to. So right click, then display on active sheet. Okay, here, so it will come up this side. Then you just save this one here, export, then whatever name, something like this, just put as well 1002 CSFB, for example here, 1002 CSFB, then CSB is fine, then save it like that. Okay, we're done. So now we will start working on those data. So we open the template that we are using here, download, upload, LTE, Hauteng. So if you will observe, there's a sequence here. There is a download, upload, PCI, RSRP, and SINR. This is SINR. So now we're going to open this FTP here. If you open this one, it will go like this. So what we are just going to copy is from this download. You can press control, then just arrow here going to the right, then this 5, then copy, go down, shift down, then just copy that one, go back to the Excel sheet, then start here, then paste it here. Okay, paste values. Okay, so paste values there. Then here, if you will observe, there is already values here. So now you need to put this site ID. For example, if this 1003, it comes with different PCI. If you will notice, there is no value on this FTP data. But if you are going to go to 1002, which is the site we are working on, so it will come with the values. It will come with this upload, average, maximum. We have the average download, then the maximum download. It will also give you the average SINR and average RSRP. So now we just leave it like that. Then we will start working on CSFB. CSFB is on this side here. This is the CSFB. So now if you will observe this one here, we go back to our Excel sheet here, CSFB. So we open that one, then we take this one, serving PCI. So you just copy this one, copy that one there, then paste it here. Just click this one, then enter. If you will observe, the all the data are transferred here, all the PCI. So what we are going to do, we just go to data, then remove duplicates, then okay. So if you will notice, the first one, the first PCI is 153, 154, 155. Then it meant to say that the DT started to test sector 1 for CSFB, sector 2 and sector 3. Sometimes they started on sector 2, sector 1, sector 3. so this one will be different arrangement. So now this is our reference. Okay, so the next one is we're going to go back to the CSFB, then you copy this MOC and MTC. So you copy this one here, copy that one. Okay, then you go back here, then paste it here. If you will observe, there's a blank, so you just remove the duplicates. Then here, so if you will notice, the guy do the test on MOC first, then you do the MTC. So this is the format we are going to follow. So CSFB we just okay. Then here, this one is for MTC, so just 5 MTC. Then here, remove this side to the remove this side to down here to move to the next one here to be same for this arrangement. We copy this one, go this up, okay, for the because this is the MOC. Then this the other one is same, the other one is same. So now we just copy like this, control down, copy up to here, copy that one, then go to this first one here, right click, paste special values. So if you will observe, when you paste special values, this values changes. Okay, so these are the values, these are the average of CSFB. So now this one is linked to this one. Why I link this one? Because this one is the arrangement when the guy do the test, not necessarily that sector what this is excuse me, not necessarily that this is sector 1, but in this case, since we check this one, this is 153 is the sector 1, and he tested on 153, so sector 1, so this is sector 1. Then now here we put this equals to sector 1. This is MOC and this is MOC. Okay, then here this one we just need to check, okay, it's right, this one is right, this one is right as well, this one is right, this one is right. So but sometimes, for example, if the guy do the test on 155 first, just example, so if the guy do the test on 155, for example 155 first, so we are going to put on this is the this is 155 is sector 1, sector 3, sorry. So now since this is on top, but that is sector 3, so we are going to put equals here on this on sector 3, we put equals here, then we put this side to make it same. Okay, and this one here to make it same like this, to be on the sector 3. This is sector 3, so that is the example, but make sure this one correspond to this one. Okay, because it's this is the parameters and this is the test. Okay, so we leave it like that because this data is linked to the report. Now if you are also incorporating the KPI, you can put the KPI here, the extracted from the system. We just paste the special here. If you paste the special here, if you copy the one from you downloaded from M2000, no, not from M2000, from the system, so you just paste a special this side. So once you paste a special this side, it will come up this side here, so it will come up those values. Okay, so we just leave it like that, then now we are done. So in this case, since we are already done, you can save this one, save as, control, you can save as, then you can put the name here, something like 1002 FTP CSFB. Okay, CSFB. Then we save it to the log files inside the folder of the log files that we are working on, so that it will not be messed out. Okay, so we'll save it like this. We'll save it here, save. So it's already there. Then we go back to the report. Okay, we go back to the report. This is the report that we are working on. For example, if you already put all the snapshots, then if you already put all the snapshots. And by the way, regarding this one here, this is automatic 900, but make sure to double check on the CSFB side. You can just filter this one here, filter, check this one, and check if this is 2962. 2962 is the U900, so this one is right. And if you will observe here, 72, 73, 74, which is, you can verify if you have the 3G parameters. If you have the 3G parameters, let me check. 3G, where are you? Okay, let me just check for you. So that is to verify. Let us go back. Okay, I have it here. So just to verify if the scrambling code is right. So here 1002 Trusso House. If you will observe, this is the old one, so 2961, but now it's 2962, but it's still the same. This is the one, so it is U900. So we copy this one here just to make sure. You go back to the report, so it's right. That is the name, that is U900. Okay, so this is the default value for CSFB. This one is linked to the one that we are using. What we are going to do here, we just edit the link, change the source. You can put up here so that you can check if there is a change of the values. Change source. Then we go to this one here, 1002 FTP CSFB. If you click this one, this values will change. Okay, these values will change. So what we can do, since you already put the value, even this side, this one already changed as well. It will give you the one from the one. These values are now from the one that we worked on a while ago. So everything is populated. So here we just put the one from the snapshot. So that's how it is. Then just to remove the link, you just click somewhere, Control A, copy, then just copy, then right click again, paste the special values, just to make sure that those links are removed. That is a very important, don't forget that one. Okay, so since if you will observe, it is also still linked. So this link is linked to the KPI. This KPI. So what you can do also, you can copy, then you can select all, then copy here, then paste the special values. Okay, so now if you will observe, the edit link is already removed. It's gray out because there is no more link. So you can save this one as the file name that you want to save. Normally we save it like this. I just select like this one here. I just copy this. This is copy, then right click, paste special values, then select here, right click, then copy, then save as, then paste it here. Okay, so this is the report. the report is done. This is the report done. Where is that? You can put inside a folder the one that you are working on, or you can put inside a folder. For example, here you can just put like this here. Okay, you can save it like, you can save it somewhere. Okay, so you can save it like that, or you can save it inside a folder where you are saving your reports. So that's it. So yeah, it's done. So now that's it. Thank you very much. If you have some questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.